there, guys and gals. I have a semi-virgin, a natural redhead, and we have all this to lighten. We're going fun, guys. So there was a little bit of Shades EQ left on her hair. As you can kind of see it at the end. We did that like 8 months ago. I'm kind of shocked that it's still there. So I kind of want to leave her natural root a little bit because I just don't feel like Jessica's in for like that full, like, I want to go bleach my hair out every like 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm just going in and lightening the area, and I am going to melt out her root area to something that's kind of close to her natural kind of level. And in here I am using Oligo Pro spun in my Eco Heads mixed with 1/16 ounce Olaplex because we want to save the integrity of our hair. I am really piling on the lightener, and I am using my Nomad foil board and my Fraymar extra wide brush just to really get it on there. And after I like blend it up, then I put more lightener on there. I really want this fully saturated. And as you can see, I got a good lift. I want to take her pretty blonde because we are going with orange and yellows and reds and all that kind of stuff. So this was what we wound up with. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to base her just with a gloss just to blend away some of those lines that I put in there. And that's going to make it just a really smooth transition from her natural hair when it grows out into the fun color. So I am using Matrix Soul Cult again with Olaplex in there. I don't really have a plan ever. I kind of do what my hands feel. I don't really plan things out. The more I plan things out, the more things don't come out. So I'm a big color melter. I guess if you see my work, you know I did it because I color melted it. It's my thing. I like doing it. It works out. That's why people come to me for the color melts. I do some color blocking, but generally color melts are my things. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to work from lighter to darker. So I'm starting with my yellow, working to my orange, and then bringing the red up towards the root area. And I want to bring a little lightness around her face. She really wants this like fiery hair, and I'm all about fiery hair. So again, starting with the lighter color and working into the darker colors, feathering it up. I kind of do like a balayage technique a lot. I want to see depth in those areas that you would want to see darkness, and light where you would want to see light. And then I take my very, very wide tooth comb and I will comb it through. Now here it comes, guys. The final result. It came out so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Jess was so happy. I was so happy. It came out so beautiful. Those little pops of yellow against the orange and the red. Amazing. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.